Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here, and today I got a very special video for you guys. So I finally am getting Atlanta Pier F and 1:400 scale unboxed for you guys here. Custom layout from Layover Layouts here. It's been a while in the making because I was shipped this in the process of when I was moving. Right before I moved, this was shipped to me. I took it out, I immediately bought a container for it, and it's been wrapped and shipped from Custom Airports Australia, which did amazing work on this. And they always do amazing work. Look at this, guys. And it's just been wrapped up ever since. So, pay good money for this. So, you know what? Let's get this open and let's see what it looks like on our Pier F at Atlanta International Airport, guys. All right, guys, here it is all out together here. Now I'm going to kind of just piece it together and let's see what it looks like. All right, guys, here is ATL all together here. Kind of fits together with the different pieces here. Finally got it together, though. We like this like drop-off area here too. I'll probably have to get like the main entrance drop-off for ATL too someday, guys. I know once you start, you can't stop. It's really hard with Model Airport collecting here. So, but yeah, guys, just like to show you here. I'm gonna add some gates to this. We'll be able to see it a lot better here. See the beautiful E gates here, guys. Check this out. I know that A350's backwards there. I'm aware. Just kind of getting this all set up. I had to lean across the table just to get this thing together. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. We'll get the gates on probably tomorrow morning for the other half of this video. All right, everybody. It's now a new day, as you guys can see here. And I'm showing you guys ATL's terminal, or pier, or whatever you like to call it, F, as in Foxtrot here. Got all the Delta A350s, 767s, A330-900neo, and the 757 all lined up here. We'll be doing another video because obviously I'm going to have this set up for probably about a week or two. Here is parking garage here from Clipper Models. This is actually used on LAX, but it actually fits this perfectly, so pretty much the same thing. So maybe it was even the same builders in real life that made both of these. Coming over here, guys, we can see the drop-off area. I remember coming to this terminal many, many times, and right here, you come up the escalator, and you can see whatever plane is parked here, if there is an airplane parked here. And if it is like a 767, which it usually is, you get a really cool view of it coming up the escalator there. Coming over here, we have the Sky Club, as well as another 767. Actually, one of my good buddy JH, his buddies, I think his name's Providence Spotter on Instagram. He actually works at ATL Terminal F and E, I believe, and he actually caught has a picture of LA-28, I think it is, or 100, or one of the two. But there's like 3 special liveries together at this terminal of A350s the other day. When I say the other day, I mean I believe May 6, 2025. So super cool, guys. We're going to be adding my Korean 747-8, and yes, I'll be getting Korean in the new 747, or the new Korean Air livery when that gets released. And more aircraft here, of course, too. So I have all the airplanes that go to this. I just need to put them out, but just wanted to show you guys the terminal here, since finally getting this together from Custom Airports Australia. They do an absolutely amazing job. Go check them out on Instagram, guys. The link will be in the bio here. Also, Layover Layouts for making this amazing layout here of ATL. If you can actually come over here, you can see where Terminal E is, and like where the gates are, where the wide body gates are here. So yeah, I really do want Terminal E here someday too. Obviously, you can see compared to F, it's going to be massive. So I don't know quite how that's going to work out, but we'll see. But I will be doing a more professional ATL update here. I keep tapping this light here. A more professional ATL update here in the near future, guys, so stay tuned. Also have the brand new Virgin Atlantic A350 here. I love this aircraft. But yeah, guys, sorry it's a little late here. We worked all day today here, and then I made my ATL update last night when I put this together. It took a while to put this terminal together, but yeah, we're finally to this point. So I'll give a more detailed video here too later on of this layout and of the mat here. Look at this. So much detail here for Layover Layouts, guys. Just have some airplanes on here right now just because I was moving them around after my giant LAX update. So stay tuned for more, guys. For now, Mile Airport Nation here, guys. Hope you guys all stay safe out there, and a healthy and happy new year here going into the summertime here. We're in May right now. We're reaching June 2025. So I wish you guys all the best of health and everything in the new year here. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Also Instagram, TikTok, and of course right here on YouTube, guys, at Mile Airport Nation. Thank you, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.